Hi, I'm Kieran and this is Ben from Screenmasters. We're just here to take you on a walk around of the new K3 scalping screen. So we're just here at the engine bay of the K3. As you can see, it runs a little Deutz engine. One thing that Keestrack does on all their machines is they run load sensing pumps. That helps save fuel consumption by about 25%. And it helps put the power where it's needed. You've also got some external filters here, which makes it easy for the maintenance team to do servicing. So on the K3, you've got 3 doors on the engine bay, left and right side as well as the back side, which gives the operator 270 degrees access to the engine. On this K3, they run hydraulic sensors on all your components. So if anything over pressures at a certain point, it'll stop and regulate your feeder. You've also got access to your radiator intercooler here if you need to clean it out, which is a great feature. And as well, you've got access to your hydraulic tank and your fuel tank from this side. On this side of the engine bay, you've got access to all your pumps as well as your air filter. And this is where the control cabinet sits. It comes with a radio remote, but it also always has a battery on charge here. And you've also got your umbilical cord.
So in the K3, you've got a 4 cubic meter hopper. It's also made out of Hardox 450. It's hydraulically foldable, and it's also made out of a patented interlocking apron feeder system, which is good for fine material and won't allow it to leak out.
It's fitted with a double deck screen box. It's 2700mm long, 1200mm wide, with a screening surface area top and bottom deck of 3.24 square meters. The top deck is end tension as well as the bottom deck is end tension. It's a quite aggressive screen box, which makes it good for conventional scalping application as well as fine screening applications. As you can see with this particular machine that we're delivering, it has a 14mm in the top and a 6.3 in the bottom to screen out some aggregates for one of our clients.
Another great option, which is available on all K range of machines, is a picking station, both left and right. This customer has opted for this as it allows them to easily pick rubbish and other foreign materials off the oversized conveyor belt.
Another cool thing that Keestrack do on their scalping screens is they allow the ability to switch your mids or your fines conveyor to whichever side of the machine you need it for. So with this particular machine that we've sold, they're working in a factory inside where they need to put it up against a wall. So we were able to switch the fines conveyor from the left hand side to the right hand side with quick release hydraulic couplings and very simple process to do.
Another thing on the K range of scalpers is the quick setup time. It's got easily foldable skirting extensions on all the conveyors. Another thing that Keestrack have brought out lately on the K range of screens is these rubbers on your left and right conveyors. Just allows for easier folding in and out of the machine rather than your conventional steel bar or ratchet strap. It also allows for ensuring that the belts don't fall off when you're folding the machines.
We're just here at the control panel of the machine where you can control all the functions of the machine. You've got your automatic start and automatic stop button, which starts the machine in a sequence and starting your feeder last. When you finish for the day, simply press this button again. It'll stop your feeder first and everything else in sequence so you don't bog any of your belts. This page here also you can run each individual component by just pressing the button. You can also increase and decrease the speed of each component by simply holding and turning up or down. We have an alarm page here as well. If anything's wrong with the machine, it'll indicate where to look and what's wrong with the machine. You've also got your engine page here, which gives you all your vital information about your engine. Another cool feature that Keestrack do on all their machines is run a radio remote where you can control the machine from the cab. Again, having the automatic start and automatic stop button, you can increase, decrease your feeder speed, your oversized conveyor speed, as well as your right side conveyor speed. Another cool feature is you can actually track the machine while it's in operation. It simply stops the feeder and you can move the machine forward or back if you're working a windrow. A really great feature.
A cool thing that Keestrack do across all the range of their machines is steel hydraulic piping. This just allows for longer lasting lines, and any hydraulic pipes that they do have, they make them as short as possible. This allows for ease of identification for when they do fail and cheaper maintenance costs for replacement. One more feature that they also have is they fully powder coat all machines there. This makes the paint longer lasting and in the long run, a better looking machine. The K range of scalpers are known for their extra long conveyors and higher stockpiling capacity in comparison to their competitors in the similar ranges. This particular machine on its oversized belt has a 5 meter long belt, 1000 mil wide, and has a stockpile capacity of about 100 tons.
Thank you for watching the K3 walk around video. The K3 is a compact, efficient scalper, and if you're looking for one, get in contact with either myself or Ben at Screenmasters.